So as they say, the big six, this is what the big six look like. You can use any one of these memory cards to update it. So once you download the software, put it on the memory card. So the software would name, that's the name. So this is the card that I use to update my camera. Go to the tool pan. You're going to go to 12, which is setup. Then you're going to go to version, scroll down until you see version. Then it will ask you to update. Well, because this camera is already updated, you will see here which says basically click to update, and then that's it. Menu, image quality on Q mode. It's typically on SNQ mode by default. Go to fix variable, and you can actually customize it whenever you go to a fixed variable, but let's just click OK. Then you can just go back, and this is it, the big six menu. For me, the only reason why I really wanted this update because I wanted the Blackmagic RAW. That's one. So I want to see what that looks like, as I used it on the Fuji before, and it looks pretty good. And I'd love to see if it can match with my Blackmagic PYXIS, which is around the back. I'm not sure, but I know, like, I love testing out new stuff, you get me? And the new home screen,